bring your arm behind you. Feel the weight of your arm slightly open your chest. Then lean on one side. Allow the stream of your breath flow through your limbs. And round your head slowly. Feel all the connection from your neck down to your spine with your gentle, soft awareness. Now bring your arm overhead. Turn and tilt your torso to one side. Slowly rise up. Rest the back of your head onto your arm. Breathe here. Then shift to another side. Then rise up again. When you're ready, and release your body and your arm back down. Soft in your bone. And release your breath, your mind completely. From here, slowly rise. Come to your hand and knees. And tap into your inner space by shifting, moving through your hip. And gradually increase your range of motion over your center. From both directions with your breath and awareness, and come all the way down on your torso. Continue to connect anywhere that you feel tenderness. Hug your leg to the center, then lift both your legs up firmly. And lower your leg down to lift your sternum. Breathe. And exhale, lift both your legs up again to go a little higher. Press your arm down next to your side and stay engaged through your back, from head down to toes. And when you're ready, slowly press yourself upright and breathe. And feel your curve as you continue to generate more energy and space through the movement. And round your neck slowly in both directions. And slowly walk your hand, sink your hip back down, rest in child pose. Release your body and your breath. Release your arm forward and shift your hip forward and down back to your extension position and feel around your hip. Press your arm down to lift your torso. Feel the transition and connection. Now we're going deeper into the back bend. So bring your right elbow underneath your shoulder. Press down. You may stay here or go deeper to bend your knee. Your hand reaching toward your ankle. Here is a good place to use a yoga strap if you have one at home. Option to lift your opposite leg. And very gently as you come back down. And slowly press yourself upright with your core and back strength. And release. Switch your side. Do this slowly and gently and mindfully. You can always start with your arm and bend your knees. And your arm reaching towards your ankle if that feels right. And leave your opposite leg above the floor. Then slowly release. Bring your hand and your leg back down. Gently turn through your leg and lift through your hip. And feel around the connection around the back for deeper release. And when you're ready, slowly walk yourself back into resting child pose. Exhale here. Allow your bones and everything that you carry to be released, both physically and mentally. A sense of coming home as you are. In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. The past has no power over me because I am willing to learn and to change. I see the past as necessary to bring me to where I am today. I am willing to begin where I am right now, to clean the rooms of my mental house. I know it does not matter where I start. So I now begin with the smallest and the easiest room. And in that way, I will see results quickly. I am thrilled to be in the middle of these adventures, for I know I will never go through this particular experience again. I am willing to set myself free. All is well in my world.